Let us talk about log of 1 and log of 0 to any base. According to the definition of logarithm, we stated that log of 1 is 0 and log of 0 is undefined. I will explain this too. It is important to relate logarithm with indices if you want to understand this too. Remember that if you have 2 raised to the power of 3, this means what? 2 times 2 times 2 in 3 different places. 2 times 2, 4 times 2 is 8. So how can we relate this logarithm? Log of this number with the base, the same base, because even in indices, this 2 here stands as the base. So log of 8 as the argument with this base 2 is equal to 3. So let us analyze it. Log of any number, not even 8, but in this case we are using 8 because we have this relationship. Log of 8 with the base of 2 is equal to 3. Why? Because according to definition, log of any number is the power, that means the result, is the power by which you have to raise the base to get that number. So you can only raise 2 to the power of 3 before you could get it. So let's assume we don't know it is equal to 3. Though I got this 3 from this relationship. If you are given log of 8 to evaluate with the base of 2, you have to come up with a power by which you have to raise 2 to get it. And I know that I can only raise 2 to the power of 3 to get it. Therefore, the answer is 3. So this is the relationship between indices and logarithm. So coming here, irrespective of whatever the base is, let us call it A. All right. We are asked to find log of 1 with any base. It is the power by which you have to raise the base. Remember that if you raise the base to the power of 0, you shall obtain 1, because we have learned that any number to the power of 0 will give us 1, provided the number is not 0. All right? So we have proven this. Therefore, log of 1 with any base will forever be equal to 0. But log of 0 with any base is undefined. Why? Because there is no any number you can raise on this base, whether it is 2, 3, 4, you cannot raise it to any power to get 0. Therefore, it is undefined. You cannot raise, for instance, let us work it out here, because I think this is much comprehensive. Let's assume that this is in base 10. For example, log of 0 in base 10. Let's assume that it is equal to x. So whatever the value of x is, shall be what? The log of 0. So according to definition, 10 to the power of x must be equal to 0. Do you think there's any number you can raise onto 10 to get 0? Never. So this is not possible. Never true. Therefore, it is undefined.